Militer Federasi Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina dalam 24 jam terakhir. Juru bicara militer Rusia Letnan Jenderal Igor Konashenkov 8 Agustus merilis serangan rudal presisi tinggi jet tempur Federasi Rusia menyasar markas sementara unit Brigade Mekanik ke-72 Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina di sebuah perusahaan pertanian di Artemavs Republik Rakyat Donetsk. Hingga 130 prajurit dan 8 unit kendaraan dan kendaraan lapis baja dihancurkan, kata Letjen Igor Konashenkov. Operasional taktis dan penerbangan tentara, pasukan rudal dan serangan artileri Angkatan Bersenjata Rusia terus berlanjut terhadap fasilitas militer di Ukraina. 3 pos komando diserang, termasuk Batalion Brigade Mekanis ke-66 di dekat Orch-Hertino dan Batalion Brigade Pertahanan Teritorial ke-109 dekat Beretska di Republik Rakyat Donetsk, serta 173 area konsentrasi prajurit dan peralatan militer Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina. Satu gudang senjata di mana 45.000 ton amunisi yang baru-baru ini dipasok ke Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina oleh negara-negara NATO dihancurkan di dekat Posneseks di wilayah Nikolaev. Secara total sebanyak 263 pesawat, 145 helikopter, 1.701 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 362 rudal permukaan ke udara Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina dieliminir. Juga 4.262 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 789 peluncur roket ganda, 3.273 artileri di lapangan dan mortir, dan 4.756 kendaraan militer khusus telah dihancurkan sejak dimulainya operasi militer khusus, kata Letjen Igor Konashenkov. Dari kubu Kiev, Kementerian Pertahanan Ukraina merilis 300 prajurit Federasi Rusia dieliminir dalam 24 jam terakhir. Total 42.200 tentara Rusia dan sekutu tewas sejak awal konflik hingga hari ke-165. Presiden Ukraina Volodymyr Zelensky tak henti-hentinya menyerukan solidaritas internasional untuk membantu mengusir penjajah Rusia. Bantuan kemanusiaan dan militer terus berdatangan ke Kiev. Terbaru, Kemenhan Ukraina merilis bantuan kemanusiaan dan militer dari Amerika Serikat sudah tiba. Zelensky kian optimis mengusir pasukan Vladimir Putin.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine as a result of the Russian Aerospace Forces strike on a temporary deployment point of units of the 72nd Mechanized Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces at an agricultural enterprise in Artemovsk in Donetsk People's Republic. Up to 130 servicemen and 8 units of vehicles and armored vehicles have been destroyed. High-precision airborne missiles have struck a temporary deployment point of howitzer battery of the 95th Separate Airborne Assault Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces in Dzerzhinsk of Donetsk People's Republic and destroyed up to 70 servicemen, 3 Gvozdika self-propelled artillery mounts and 4 pieces of automotive equipment. Russian Aerospace Forces strikes on a temporary deployment point of the 3rd Brigade of the National Guard have eliminated over 100 nationalists on the territory of TPP-3 and Karpovsky Garden in Kharkov city. Due to high losses, Zelensky regime is taking measures to make up for incomplete personnel of Ukrainian formations in the area of combat operations in Donbass. For example, a decision has been taken to send the mobilized citizens who started their training at the training center of the 72nd Mechanized Brigade in Belaya Tserkov of Kyiv region to the front line ahead of schedule. The wounded are also sent along with them without waiting for them to complete their full rehabilitation course after their wounds. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes continue against military facilities in Ukraine. 3 command posts have been hit, including those of the 66th Mechanized Brigades Battalion near Ocheretino and of the 109th Territorial Defense Brigade Battalion near Berestka in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 173 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration. 1 Buchem 1 missile launcher near Chasov Yar of Donetsk People's Republic and 5 ammunition depots, including 1 ammunition depot equipped in one of the workshops of the Svatoy-Linsky machine building plant near in Donetsk People's Republic have been destroyed. 1 arsenal where 45,000 tons of ammunition recently supplied to Ukrainian armed forces by NATO countries has been destroyed near Voznesensk in Nikolaev region. 4 platoons of Grad MLRS, 2 platoons of Msta B guns and 1 platoon of Getsin B guns at firing positions have been suppressed as part of counter-battery warfare near Dzerzhinsk, Sukhaya Balka, Lastochkino and Krasnogorovka in Donetsk People's Republic. Russian air defense means have shut down 8 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Krasnoye, Chervony Yar, Dubrovnoye, Petropavlovka in Kharkov region, Staromikhailivka, Rovnoye, Malinovka in Donetsk People's Republic, and Donetsk city. One shell of multiple rocket launcher has also been intercepted near Kamenka in Kharkov region. In total, 263 aircraft and 145 helicopters, 1,701 unmanned aerial vehicles, 362 surface-to-air missiles, 4,262 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 789 multiple rocket launchers, 3,273 pieces of field artillery and motors, and 4,756 special military vehicles have been destroyed since the start of the special military operation.